Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome, welcome. It is June 6th. So I hope everyone's having an amazing day today. Um, hope you're all doing well. We have just finished our 5-day workshop at TradePro Academy. Yesterday was the final day. So the premise of it was learning to trade any futures market conditions, understanding futures so that you can trade any market condition realistically, no matter the volume, the volatility. So we broke that down to 5 days and we sent out those videos for everyone to watch, right? People came in live, some that didn't make it, right? They have those recordings. And at the end of it, we had a very special offer. So if you're on our mailing list, go check that out. We're going to be joining the live trading room this morning with a lot of new members that have seen what we're capable of at Trade Pro Academy as we open our live room for 3 full days. So if you want to learn more about that, check us out at tradeproacademy.com. But in today's news, we are now in Mykonos, actually, right? We're now in Mykonos. We're doing half vacation, half work, and we're going to break down what we got going on for today before we explore the island some more. So, in today, right, yesterday, we saw that Apple unveiled its mixed reality headset at its annual Worldwide Developers Conference yesterday on Monday, Monday was yesterday, ushering a new era of what CEO Tim Cook calls a spatial computing, right? So, unlike joystick powered rival devices like Meta Quest from Meta, Apple's headset relies on hand tracking with the user gesturing in midair to control interface. However, the new super premium device was priced at $3,500 USD, and an overwhelming majority of Wall Street Bet subscribers feel that the product is too niche for the market, with the stock dropping nearly 1% yesterday after hitting a new all-time high, surpassing that $3 trillion market cap and selling back down. So we'll see. It looks like one of those events that sells the news. If Apple continues a downside move on this unveiling, we're going to see some more downside in overall equities, which is something that I'm leaning towards a little today. There's not too much news to cover today, right? We have a blackout period in the Fed, so the Federal Reserve is coming out next week, I should say, with the Federal Reserve rate adjustment event where realistically there's a very high expectation, about 75% chance that there is no hike whatsoever, and a very small chance that there is a 0.25% hike that comes out next week, which are going to be trading live with our members. But besides that, there's not too much news that's coming out. There's not that many tape bumps, and we're going to usher a week, about a week of just order flow trading without seeing too much that might disrupt this market. So we also have cryptocurrency in the news, right? And the SEC has sued cryptocurrency exchange Binance and its CEO Zhao for allegedly violating U.S. security regulations. The news pushed cryptocurrency prices lower, with Bitcoin dropping at nearly 4% to about 25.7K today, and Ether down about 3%, down at 1.82K, something like that. So there's 13 charges that are filed against Binance and CZ, as he is known, including deceiving investors about sufficiency of its system to detect and control manipulative trading. The SEC also accused the platform of taking insufficient steps to prohibit U.S. investors from accessing its unregulated exchange. So Binance is disputing the allegation, saying it's disappointed with the SEC suit and will vigorously defend its business. So crypto is getting volatile from that. Overall, the markets are slumping slightly lower today here pre-market. I do have a plan for the day that we're going to be sharing, but we're at a pivotal point right now. We've crossed through a very key resistance, and I think that we got a little overextended with no new buyers coming into the market, where we would have to see a slight pullback to see strong-handed buyers accept to the upside again, right? I am on the notion that buying the dip is what we're going to be looking at today. In Asia, Japan is, or maybe not today, but this week, Japan is up 0.9%, Hong Kong down 0.1%, China down 1.2%, India flat. In Europe, midday, we have London down 0.2%, Paris down 0.2, Frankfurt down 0.1, and then we have at about an hour ago or so, the Dow was down 0.1, S&P down 0.1, and so was Nasdaq. Crude down 2% to 70.74. About gold up 0.3%, and Bitcoin down about 4%. So we're going to be taking a look at how that shapes up today. In terms of other news that's coming out today, I don't see any scheduled events from the economic calendar. But when we talk about the S&P 500 futures, my plan for the session is to see this mid 70 area, 42.70, try to hold as a support region, as it has been for the past few days. There is a single print auction there that is sustaining the price. And I would want to see those mid to high 80s, so 85 to 87, get traded to see if any real sellers do come out through that to push us through that 73 down to 60, which is my downside target for the day. Now, if we start selling off the open, right, if we get through that 73 very quickly, I'm going to be looking for continuations of that leg. I don't necessarily want to be very bullish on the day session unless we have order flow that does come out, but signs are leading towards a slightly lower push on the trade session. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed my morning update. Check out community.tradeproacademy.com and join us in our live trading room that opens in a few minutes now. I hope to see you all there. And tomorrow we're going to be doing this again. And we'll see what the real pullback looks like before we see some more dip buyers in the S&P, because I think that's what strong-handed buyers are waiting for, an area where they can get long to see that leg higher. So with that being said, I do want to see some more bears try it at the beginning of this week, and we'll refocus that into the end of the week to see if any dip buyers do come out before the Federal Reserve rate decision that comes out next week, which we're going to be trading live. So thank you all. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and enjoy the rest of the day. Happy trading.